Whew. All right, so we went on a Richard adventure this morning, and now we were coming back down to Idaho Springs to get lunch. And on our way, I saw a road that looked very familiar, and I remember I'd seen it on YouTube, and I was like, I know that road. I looked it up in my off-road book, and it is Devil's Canyon, so we're gonna go give it a shot.
All right, Devil's Canyon. There it goes. That's level, so we are going up.
Here we go.
Here's a map of Devil's Canyon from Fun Tracks on page 165. We started out at the entrance and went up to marker 3. We did not do the entire loop because we ran out of time because we had to head home. This was my first time doing Devil's Canyon. I think that Fun Tracks did a really good job of rating this trail. Although I will say in some of the more difficult spots that I was in, I think that the ruts have definitely gotten deeper. From marker 1 to marker 2, the trail is most definitely a moderate trail. Very steep with bigger potholes. From marker 2 to marker 3, the trail was easier and more flat, maybe with a little more rocks. The only spot that I happened to bottom out was on this part of the trail, but there was just a big rock sticking in the way.
Feeling good? Again? All right.
Oh yeah, it's in 4-wheel high. I put it in 4-wheel before we came up the mountain.
Sorry, 4-wheel low.
It's got it.
Yeah, all right. Be careful of that high center there. Woo! Yeah, dig some dirt. Go.
Woo. Awesome, my adrenaline is going. Got me nervous.
This stuff rough. Pity. Probably have to maybe on the left.
I'm gonna get out.
Okay.
Show the pitch on camera.
Now, this is about level if you want some reference, people.
This is harder than it looks.
Oh. Oh. All right.
Shows it at about a 10% grade.
10%. Not terrible. It's got good links and bumps. That'll be fun. Oh. Yeah, curl into it. Ride that high spot. Yeah. Turn. Get your nose gone.
There you go. Keep going. Straight out towards me. Yep. Right on over. Keep coming this way a little bit now. Straight on. Yep. 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 Probably come left. Yeah. Turn tires. Keep turning, keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. There you go. You're just riding them out. Just slow, slow, yeah.
The reason the truck looks so jumpy is because I'm trying to use the crawl control on the truck and I didn't have it quite at a high enough speed.
Okay. Turn that tire right, yep. Now back left. Now left. Straight. Turn. Keep coming. Yeah, turn your wheels. Keep coming. Turn your wheels. Okay, now straighten up. Big rock. Slow and easy over. There you go. There you go. Turn a little right. There you go. 2 big bumps to the right. It's right up and over. Straighten out, straighten out. It's just cool seeing the mountains. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Got the mountain in the back there.
Yeah, I got the mountains. What's our grade down? About 10, 20 down.
Made it!
We made it. Somehow.
Car's still running. For now.
No check engine light. No messages.
No messages, and all 4 tires still seem to be inflated.